We are laying in the bedroom. He is on this little couch. I'm on the bed. I finished watching all of Queen of the South this morning, so I'm kind of sad about it. Watching The Walking Dead, I was watching this like early on when it came out, but I kind of got like left behind and just stopped watching it. So now I decided to watch it again because there's lots of episodes, lots of seasons, even though I don't need to be starting any shows right now. I need to be cleaning the house, but it's going to get done. Also, I asked my mom if she wants to come to my appointment tomorrow for my ultrasound, and she said yes. So that was really exciting because I thought for some reason she was going to say no. I've got nothing else to say right now. I don't know why my hand is in the air. Oh, let me go show you guys something exciting. So, there's this girl that I follow on Instagram. Her name is Maya. Her Instagram name is the Spasm Test. And she always does this game on her Instagram where she posts a styrofoam cup and there's like the most random things in it, usually food. But whoever guesses right, she cash apps them $5. And I always play because it's just fun to me, and I never thought I would ever win, but guess what? I guessed it right. There's potato chips inside. So that's really exciting. But I told her I don't want her money. So she's going to make headbands for Libby. So that's going to be cute. So that's exciting. I never win anything.
What do you want to do?
Sure you won't come along. A few more days. By then, Dwayne will know how to shoot and I won't be so rusty.
You just feel her cake?
No.
Oh. Guys, you're never even going to believe what I did. Ready? Ta-da! I just cleaned the dining room area. Turn the light off. So this is all clear. These shoes need to go upstairs. There's no junk over here. There's still boxes here, obviously, because I didn't move them up yet. Dining room table is clear. That's pizza we had earlier, so I'm not going to move that yet. Here's the stroller. Guys, look at this. Are you proud of me or what? There's a few things on the steps that needs to go upstairs. Oh, by the way, I don't think I ever showed you guys this because I didn't tell you guys the baby's name until like a week ago. But my sister-in-law made her this sign for her bedroom for the door. It says Libby's room, obviously, and it's so cute. I just gave her the color scheme that I wanted. Obviously, her room is orange, so I told her that. And she made this, and it's so cute. I can't wait to hang it up. I'm so proud of myself. Finally kept my word. This, however, is a different story. The kitchen always is a mess because we're constantly using it. The baby gate is awesome, by the way. I noticed for some reason Liam keeps using it, which I think is like super funny. But this is a trash bag. I need to take that out. I'm probably going to organize this a little bit too, just so I don't have to worry about that later. But yeah, I finally freaking finished it, and it looks so great in here. I don't know how long it's going to last me. I'm looking a hot mess. I was going to show myself, but here is the belly shot. It's getting super big. I can't believe it. I'll be 32 weeks on Monday. That's insane. But right now, I decided that I'm going to label these finally before I forget, because there's getting a whole bunch of them. And then I'm going to shower and get in bed because tomorrow we have an appointment for our ultrasound, and I'm really excited about that. We need to get up, go pick up my mom, and head all the way out to Levittown. So that's my plans for the night. I'm going to show you these once I'm done labeling them. I have the cutest album I'm going to show you guys. So this is the album that I got off of Amazon, and it holds all of our larger Polaroids. These are all my pictures from Panama. It was a great trip. This is from Liam's birthday when we got back from Panama. This picture is from my Friendsgiving, as well as this. This is Liam carving the turkey, the first turkey I ever made. This is actual Thanksgiving with my family. These are my photos of my classmates from nail school that I graduated with. This is my teacher, Miss Sam. And here is a Polaroid we took on New Year's, which I was actually pregnant in, about 6 days pregnant, but that's just funny to me because I obviously had no idea. I found out 5 days later that I was pregnant. So I'm about to label these. These labels, by the way, came from this little label maker. It literally was so cheap from Amazon. It's like a handheld one. You just gotta keep twisting the dials, but I don't really mind. So I'm gonna go ahead and label these now, and then put them in the album so I don't lose them. I just made the labels up to 30 weeks so far, and I'm going to show you guys how I make the next. I'm going to make 31 because I am going to be using that soon. So let me see if I can set this up properly for you guys to see. This is like super easy to use. Basically, to space the words apart, you just lightly tap anywhere and then it moves over. This is how I got a even space in between these. I usually do 2 spaces in between each label so that I can cut them with scissors, because I like the way that looks better than cutting it with this. So then you turn the dial to whatever numbers you need or letters. So I'm doing 31. So then you press hard, 3, 1, and then again to space you lightly tap. Weeks, so W E E K S. And I'm gonna go ahead and do 32 as well, because why not? I forget how much this was off of Amazon, but it was super cheap, and you could just keep getting the refill rolls. It comes with 2 of these wheels. So once you're done, you can turn it to the scissors. Sorry, it keeps getting out of focus, guys. That's so annoying. And then you press super hard on that, and you just pull it out. Sorry, this is out of focus, guys. This is a mess. But I just go ahead and cut them evenly, like that. This is a funny Polaroid I took of Liam while he was putting together the car seat, because we had no idea what we were doing. Then you find the label that you want. This is 26 weeks, and then you just peel off the back. Sticky already. I like to think I have OCD, so I make sure that all my labels are in the bottom left hand corner. Make it as straight as possible. You can kind of lift it up before you press it down completely if you don't like the placement. And that is how that looks. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop it in the album along with the front view one. I'm only gonna label the side view. Alright guys, I got all the photos into the album with I don't know why I just left at the ice machine, like you guys don't hear all the time. Okay, I got all the photos into the album with the labels on them, and I'm just looking at how different all these photos are. And at first it really bothered me, because look how close I am here and then far away I am there, but it just makes it more authentic. So here is the other weeks, and I want to actually compare 30 weeks to 26 real quick to see if there's much of a difference. Yeah, it's definitely poked out a lot further. Wow. That's why I wanted these photos, guys. I wish I started earlier, but I have photos throughout my entire pregnancy. Well, starting at 16 weeks. So at least I have those memories. That was my little project for the night. I'm glad I finally got that done. I'm glad I finished cleaning the downstairs area, well, the dining room, because it was getting out of control. But I'm gonna go ahead and get in the shower now. I think I'm gonna wash my hair because it's been a minute. I feel like my face is breaking out a little bit. I don't know why, but it's gonna be really exciting tomorrow, so I need to go get some rest. It is 1:18 now and the appointment's at 3, but I need to get up at like 12. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please give this video a thumbs up for me finally cleaning the dining room. And I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.